How to place many objects in Unreal Engine 5. In this project, we have two of objects. I download from the fab. Now I drag it to the scene. And next, I copy all of them. I hold down Alt key and drag it. Hold down Alt key and drag it again. And now I select the big one and make it close to another one. And I select all of them and copy it again and rotation it. And next I do it again and rotation it. And I select all of them and drag it up. And next, I select the physics and click the simulate physics. I simulate it, and you can see all of objects is on the ground now. But when I stop, all of objects will reset to the default planes. So I simulate again. And now I select all of them and press K key and I stop simulate, and you can see all of objects is placed on the ground now. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.